Racing just started. We have Alicia's Gold break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside, winking eye. Hannah's Gold now takes the lead. Down in third comes entry number 13, and this one is Meadowland. Next on line is Miss Manila. And going along for the first turn, we have Hannah's Gold. Right behind in second is Winking Eye. And on the outside now is Meadowland. Alicia's Gold Security Force Geronimo. Alongside comes Miss Manila. Primus Inter Pares Gold Asian. Especially discreet Royal Queen alongside Treasure Boys. Simple Beauty Racing second last. While entry number 2, Olympic Torch, is racing in 14th. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Hannah's Gold, and on the outside is Winking Eye. Meadowland is down in third. Gold Asian is running by the rail. Next online now is especially discreet Security Force alongside Primus Inter Pares, Alicia's Gold, Miss Manila, Geronimo, and Diana entering the home stretch. Bunch of entries by the route for the lead. Winking Eye moving up on the outside. Now is Hannah's Gold, Alicia's Gold. In the middle portion now is Gold Asian. Especially discreet is on the outside with about 50 meters. Hannah's Gold, Gold Asian is running by the rail, moves up, and final Gold Asian close. Hannah's Gold and